MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Beautiful Treasure Island Marina. We have got a rare find. This is what we call a unicorn boat in the boat business. It is a used 2020. It is like brand new Sea Ray 195 SPX. That's the sport version of the Sea Ray boats. It's got a real sharp entry. It's an extremely agile boat. Great for water sports. Just basically a hot rod on the water. Comes on its own trailer that has a fold-away tongue, so that's easy to get into your normal carport. That takes care of a lot of the HOA issues that people have with boats trying to get them in their house. So it takes care of all that for you. You can notice the shine on this boat is still brand new. Like I said, it's a new trade-in 2020, customer upgraded. Comes with a perfectly formed bimini top. It's in great condition. This boat's actually powered by the 150. It's got the engine upgrades, the 150 Mercury. This boat motor is so quiet that you have to make sure you don't crank it twice. Ask me how I know that. It's a lot of power, a lot of fun, great beach boat. We'll go up top and take a look at some of the features it's got up there. Okay, here we are up aboard the boat. Like I said, it is a sport boat, so it comes with your ski pylon tower there for your water sports. You have a dedicated cooler storage space here, so nothing's cluttered in the deck of the boat. Everything's got a place and everything's in its place. Dual battery switch all right inside this compartment. This being an outboard version of the sport boat, it now opens up. You have a nice sun pad here, which opens up to a huge storage locker. I mean, you can stick a mother-in-law down in there if you need to. But you got tons of storage, more cooler space. This is actually a fish and ski boat. This actually has a live well built into the boat, so you can throw you some live minnows in there. As you're out there in the bay, you want to do a little fishing, you can take care of that. So at the cockpit of the boat, you've got a great analog gauge system here with the Go 5 Simrad. Since this does have the fishing package, this is your GPS and chart plotter with fish finder. So it gives you the ability to get on that spot and find those fish. Fusion stereo system, quality of Sea Ray gauges. Over here on the port side, you've got a lounger and or jump seat, where this was retractable. Tons of storage space. Like I said, everything has a place to put it. Huge storage locker for your skis. We have a walk-through windshield. Pull this back, knock the wind down off of you on the cool mornings. Great seating up here. It's a great fun family sport boat. Needs to be in your garage. I can make it happen. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, at Treasure Island Marina.